In this video, I am going to show you how to prepare your Google Earth project. First, where it says search Google, type Google Earth. You are going to click the first link, and you're going to click Launch Earth, either here or here. It will open a new window. Give it a moment to load. It may take a minute or two. So, this is Google Earth. What you're going to do is on the left side of the screen, you're going to choose Projects. You are going to click New Project. And you're going to choose the first, Create Project in Google Drive. You are going to title the project your first name, last name, and visual biography. Here, you're going to give me a 1 or 2 paragraph description based on what is written in the syllabus. So, we are going to add a description. So, I've already typed one. I will paste it here. The next part is you're going to click New Feature. You are going to search to add place. So, the first place I'm going to search is Platt High School. And I'm going to choose Orville H. Platt High School, not Platt Technical High School. So it's going to bring it up on the map. Gives it a moment. And here's Platt High School. You will notice in Google Earth, it is the old high school. Don't worry about that. That's not going to be a problem. You're going to click the button, Add to Project. You are going to put, at the beginning, before the title, the years. So, for example, for me, I've been at Platt since 2017. And then I'm going to put present because we are currently at that high school. I'm going to click Edit Place. And then you will see here. The first part is very important. Click Replace. Now you have an option to add a picture. So I'm going to click Picture. And like usual, you can upload, do a Google image search, get a picture from Google Drive, or put a URL. So if we do a Google image search, I'll put O.H. Platt High School and see what we get. I will choose this picture. I will hit select. And the first picture's here. If I want to add another picture, I'm going to click down here. And I'll go to my Google Drive, because I do have pictures in my Google Drive. I will click LTSS, because that's where I put my pictures. And I will choose one of the pictures here. So I will choose select. And now I have a second picture. Don't worry about how it looks here. As long as you have the pictures, it's okay. Sometimes the pictures don't go in the correct way. That's not a problem. Down here, you're going to explain about your time at Platt. So, I have created a little paragraph, and this is good enough. It's more than 4 sentences. You're going to choose small info box. And then down here, you get to choose what icon you want. So there's star, camping, check mark, restaurant, heart, hiking, historic building, monument, hotel, house, information, vista, and X. What the symbols don't mean, well, what they mean is not important, but you should choose one type of symbol for each job or school. This is a job and I choose Vista. You can also change the color. You have all of these colors here. You can click on custom and choose any specific color. So if you want maybe a nice dark violet, you can go up here, click done, and you can see here the icon changed. When you're finished, you will click the back button. You will continue adding by searching until you're done. Remember to add pictures and put all of the events in numerical order. Here is my sample presentation that I created for you. You can see all of the dates are in order, or as close as possible. I have many more than the 10 I required. You should try to get at least 10. If you can add more, that's even better. I hope you enjoy creating this project.